down. What going on school?
I saw this girl and I told her that she's good. I like her.
So she look good, she brown and she black.
Well, she's white skinned.
She light skin, Grant. For real?
Yeah.
High five. Good boy. I girl is at school now. One more. Yeah, seal it. Yeah, youth.
I know, right? And that was so crazy. Yeah. I hope I see you.
Grant. See that girl ever walk come? When you go to her and tell her, say, me like her hair.
No.
He's not mine when you go to her and tell her, say, shut up, she might. Mine, he's not dog. May I give 10 if you go to her?
No, 20.
20? Alright, may I give 10 dollars. Go on to her.
Really? That's so cute. Where is he?
Over there.
Oh.
I know he's ugly, right?
No, but tell him no thing.
She said ugly toss. She said ugly toss. She said.
What?
She said no thanks.
What did you say to her, Grant?
That you're ugly.
Oh, if you tell the girl, say, come here. Oh, if you tell her, say, I'm ugly. You hear that? What you say to her?
That you're ugly.
Oh, if you tell her, say, I'm ugly. Come, we go for mommy car.
Toss, what are you doing?
Huh?
Toss, what are you doing?
I'm going to pick up the girl who she for go call her while I go.
Can't even survive. You know mommy's gonna beat us.
Mommy not gonna beat us, Grant.
You don't even know how to survive.
I mean, I don't know how to drive.
Can't survive, Toss. Yeah, what are you doing?
Grant, just relax.
But Toss,
What?
can't survive. What are you doing?
Grant, just relax, Grant.
Where are you going?
You mean where I'm going, Grant? Just relax, Grant.
No.
What?
You know mommy's gonna beat us.
Mommy's not gonna beat us, Grant.
What are you doing?
Grant, just relax, Grant. Grant, just sit back and put on your seatbelt, Grant. Jesus Christ, man.
She's gonna beat us.
Man, just relax, man. I got this.
She's gonna beat us.
Grant, she's not gonna beat us, Grant.
Yes, she is.
No, she's not.
She will.
No,
Toss,
she's not.
What are you even doing? Let me out.
Man, shut up, Grant.
Let me out.
Man, shut up. No thanks for.
Because I didn't realize. Is this set off?
Yeah, my car.
Oh.
Yo, girl at the back, man. Girl at the back, man, you up? Girl at the back, dog. Come on.
So, whose car is this?
That's my mom.
Hey boy, shut up your mouth. Nobody attack you. Shut up your mouth. You know, say my car though, baby, and thing. So where you come from?
New York.
New York. You look good, you know, must see you from over there and thing. You know, say Jamaica I come from though and thing. So where your name?
Shy.
Shy?
Yeah.
You look shy though, baby. So, what are you doing in these parts?
Visiting.
Huh?
Visiting.
Yeah, visit. Say, make up your face on my girl, I want you.
You're just so uninteresting.
What the block? When you want me uninterested? So wait, when me they send my brother for come over to some come call you, why you never come to me?
You were on walking.
Oh, so come out of my car.
I don't need
Come
to
out
be
of
in
my
your
car,
car.
dirty. Hey, girl, come out of my car. Yo, Grand, come back round here, so. Come back round here, so, man. Hey, bamba clock, you understand, man, car door. You know, man, car door, boy. Hey, you gonna suck your mother. Yo, come round here, so, Grand. Come round here, so. Can I get you right in the dog? I don't know what me take, blood. I don't know, yo. Hey, girl, you girl like you for dating on my girl. That me I tell you.